Want to boost your Snapchat security on iPhone? Here's how to enable two-factor authentication in just a few quick steps. First, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then, tap the settings gear in the top right. Scroll down and find two-factor authentication. Tap on it, then hit Continue and select Let's Do It at the bottom. Now choose your preferred authentication method. I'll go with SMS verification for this example. Snapchat will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter it and tap Continue. A pop-up will appear asking you to save your backup codes. You can either screenshot them or copy them for safekeeping. I'll take a screenshot for easy access. Finally, tap Next in the top right. If you want extra security, you can also set up login codes with an authentication app. But if not, just tap Skip. And that's it. Your Snapchat account is now protected with two-factor authentication. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips.